Hello viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we review the best 49 key MIDI controller that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we complete this list. Number 5. Alesis V49 Key. I have had an opportunity to test this 49 key MIDI for several days, and now, I am ready to present you my MIDI controllers reviews. The Alesis V49 MIDI keyboard provides all the necessary dynamics of the game, due to 49 full-size keys which are sensitive to changes in velocity. 8 velocity-sensitive backlit pads provide access to a variety of drum parts. The convenient location of the interface controls is represented by 4 knobs, 2 wheels, and buttons. The octave shift keys provide access to all notes in the range. The MIDI keyboard can be powered through a computer via a USB cable. It is possible to connect a sustain pedal, and has a 6.3mm jack, located on the rear panel of the device. Number 4. AKAI Professional MPK-249 Key. If you're looking for a premium quality, professional standard MIDI controller keyboard, look no further than the AKAI MPK-249. The MPK-249 comes equipped with 49 semi-weighted, full-size keys, and a premium AKAI professional piano-style keybed for unprecedented response and a natural feel that captures every subtle nuance of your performance. The onboard octave up and down controls allow players to access the entire melodic range, making this keyboard perfect for bass lines, piano harmony, solo leads, and much more. It's also equipped with beat-making essentials such as 16 RGB illuminated MPC-style pads, each with 4 banks for 64 pads, the perfect solution for triggering samples, loops, one-shots, melodics, and more. The 24 assignable Q-Link controllers comprising 8 control knobs, faders, and switches are engineered for hassle-free DAW/virtual instrument mapping, while the onboard USB MIDI interface with 5-pin MIDI input and output allows greater control over your work. It also comes with a comprehensive production software package for Mac and PC, including Ableton Live Lite, Hybrid 3x Air Music Tech and Sony VOX Twist 2.0. Number 3. M-Audio Oxygen 49 Key. This compact, ultra-portable performance keyboard controller is equipped with 49 full-size, synth-action, velocity-sensitive keys, and onboard pitch bend and modulation wheels to provide expression and creativity to your performances. It has 8 velocity-sensitive trigger pads for beat production and clip launching, 8 assignable knobs, and 9 assignable faders for manipulating virtual instruments, DAW parameters, and plugins, as well as an LCD screen that provides instant parameter feedback. The dedicated octave up and down buttons increase the keyboard to the full melodic range, while the transport buttons let you control your DAW without reaching for the mouse. This versatile MIDI keyboard also comes with a comprehensive production software package for Mac and PC worth over $100. Oxygen 49 offers out-of-the-box integration with popular DAWs including Ableton Live, Pro Tools, Logic, Cubase, and many more. Number 2. Alesis V49 Key. With 49 full-size, velocity-sensitive square-front keys and 8 MPC-style drum pads, the V49 is perfect for playing virtual instruments and provides the building blocks for any modern music producer. With the help of the octave up/down buttons, you can expand the keyboard to the full melodic range and play bass lines, chords, and melodies, as well as use the modulation wheels and 4 assignable knobs and buttons to open and close filters, adjust volume levels, activate effects, tweak parameters, and more. The Alesis V49 also provides seamless visual feedback via its illuminated buttons and knobs, while the V49 editor software offers an easy, visual way to edit the various MIDI messages that your keyboard's controls send to your computer. You can also adjust the velocity curves of keys and pads to find the sensitivity that best fits your playing style. The V49 also comes with a premium software package that includes Pro Tools, First Alesis Edition, Ableton Live Lite 9, and 11 Lite, to name just a few. With 49 full-size, velocity-sensitive square front keys and 8 MPC-style drum pads, the V49 is perfect for playing virtual instruments and provides the building blocks for any modern music producer. With the help of the octave up/down buttons, you can expand the keyboard to the full melodic range and play bass lines, chords, and melodies, as well as use the modulation wheels and four assignable knobs and buttons to open and close filters, adjust volume levels, activate effects, tweak parameters, and more. The Alesis V49 also provides seamless visual feedback via its illuminated buttons and knobs, while the V49 editor software offers an easy, visual way to edit the various MIDI messages that your keyboard's controls send to your computer. Number 1. AKAI Keystation Key. The Keystation 49 3 Malawian kwachas comes with a comprehensive software package that has everything you need to get you started, including Pro Tools, First M-Audio Edition, Ableton Live Lite, 2 GB of sample content from Touch Loops, Spand 2, Velvet, and Mini Grand from Air Music Tech. The 49 full-size velocity-sensitive keys provide a natural feel that captures every subtle nuance of your performance. The volume fader, transport, and directional buttons provide you with easy control of your software, plus ergonomically designed pitch and modulation wheels, octave up and down buttons, and sustain pedal input allow for expressive performances and greater creativity. The compact design fits small desk spaces and studios, while the advanced functionality allows you to customize your controls for your recording software. The 3 Malawian kwachas allows you to plug in and play almost immediately via a USB connection to your Mac or PC, and no drivers or power supply are required. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe to us to get the upcoming videos.
I should fuck her in the Benz.